Body of missing, experienced California hiker found at base of waterfall after days of search. Police. Fox News. An experienced hiker, who was reported missing on Monday, was found dead on Friday at the bottom of a waterfall in California, authorities announced on Friday. Below are your comments. The areas around a waterfall are extremely slippery. Generally there is some kind of moss, slick rocks and of course running water. Do not try to stand at the edge of a waterfall ever. It's slicker than ice many times. Condolences to the family and friends. Very sad to die that young and tragically. But I don't call someone who only takes snacks for the day and number 10 essentials very experienced. These terrains are rough and the dirt paths can be soft and or loose. Authorities said that Meister was an experienced hiker, and was only carrying snacks for the day, and was not dressed or equipped for an overnight stay when she disappeared. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.